I'd really like to try out for this show because I reckon it'll be a great opportunity for me. Don't mind performing in front of crowds and don't mind meeting challenges.
Used to expect to get a fair shake, but they won't let you